Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Doña Desserts, Mabalacat City. First time natin na-encounter si Doña Desserts sa May Angeles City. And now, dito po sa Pampanga, ay meron na po silang pangalawang branch. Congratulations naman! So, titingnan natin yung kanilang ensaymada. Ang lambot ng bread natin. So, ensaymada natin, meron pa siyang filling sa loob. Premium cream cheese.
No extension.
No extension cord. Ay, standard. So guys, next na na-intrigue ako sa mga ino-offer nila sa atin ngayon is yung kanilang cinnamon biscuit. Ay, grabe. Coffee jelly. This one is matcha po ba ito? Thank you, baby. Ito guys, let's try it. Look at that.
It's creamy.
Oh, the creamy. So, ang pinaka-special dito guys, ang mga nuts po natin ay galing pa ng abroad. Ay, hindi, Palawan. Tawag dito, ma'am?
Crunchy Silvana.
Crunchy Silvanas.
Oh! Kita mo yan. That's it.
So, business information tayo guys. So, si Doña Desserts, Mabalacat City is located dito po sa may Manny Malyari Building. Pinaka-landmark po natin is yung Skytech. Now, from Skytech, going to the Canton ng Camachile, left side po siya. Currently, they are open from 9 AM up until 12 midnight. So, mahaba-haba pa rin yan, guys. Today, na-vlog natin to is their soft opening. Tomorrow is gonna be their blessing. So, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and once again, congratulations, Doña Desserts, for opening dito po sa Mabalacat City. Thanks for watching!
Bye! Thank you!